So here's how Carla, the AI persona at 𝙏𝙧𝙦𝙀𝙧𝙢 𝙍𝙬𝙦 Turns their Rightmove inquiries into WhatsApp chats. First, as an applicant, I'm going to start by making a lettings inquiry on the Rightmove page of a property. I'm going to hit request details. Now, immediately, rather than getting, at best, a thank you for your inquiry type email that you might expect, I'm instead seeing a notification on my WhatsApp. And you can see here as I jump in that I've instantly received a personalized WhatsApp message from Carla at 𝙏𝙧𝙦𝙀𝙧𝙢 𝙍𝙬𝙦 asking if this is me. And that's going to ensure immediate engagement without delay from all Rightmove inquiries, day or night. I'm going to say yes. And over time, we also make sure that the estate agent businesses using the SalesRook software, eventually every incoming request routes through instant messaging and WhatsApp. So as you're seeing here, Rightmove applicants get turned into a WhatsApp chat, but it's also easy to connect up website live chat, contact forms on your website, Facebook ads, Google ads, or any of the other Rightmove competitor portals as well. Even missed phone calls can get turned into a WhatsApp chat. Really helpful for those calls that come in late at night after the office is closed. Here's the reply then. Great to connect with you, Max. I'm here to assist you in your property journey. Shall we start with some quick questions to understand your needs? Who's going to be living at the property? Just you? Are there going to be others? So similar to that initial template message, but a little bit more personalized now as the state-of-the-art AI-driven system engages in these conversations effortlessly and starts capturing essential details promptly and professionally. Here, it's one of about 15 questions provided by 𝙏𝙧𝙦𝙀𝙧𝙢 when they onboarded into the SalesRook software as part of their lettings applicant process. But this is, of course, completely customizable to fit use cases for sales, market appraisals, whatever you have in mind. So I'm going to say, only me. Here's the reply. Thanks for sharing that, Max. Now, are you planning to bring any pets with you? If yes, could you tell me what type? Max, thanks for the information. Could you tell me about your current living situation? Are you living with friends, family, homeowner, renting, something else? I'll say, I'm renting elsewhere. Thanks for sharing that, Max. It's always exciting to consider a new place. Are you looking for short term, something longer, 6 months, 12 months more? I'll go with 12 months or more. That's great, Max. Long-term rentals can truly feel like home. Are there any concerns we should be aware of regarding your credit history? Now, how often in property and lettings do we get this far in a conversation, which typically has to be done by email or by phone and done manually these days? And that's the old way of doing things compared to this new way that you're seeing now. Only to get to a question like credit history or guarantors and realize, gosh, I've just wasted 5 minutes, 10 minutes of my time talking to this applicant. That happens all the time. And with this solution and using AI-powered instant messaging technology like SalesRook, this kind of time-wasting exercise is a thing of the past. I'm going to say here, all clear, we'll pass a credit check, and I have a guarantor as well. That's excellent, Max. Having a guarantor can make the process smoother. Let's talk about location. Where are you interested in? We cover a broad range in Wirral and Cheshire West. Because of the region that we're talking about, as I'm pretending to be an applicant here, I'm going to say I'm looking at Merseyside, close to a train station, ideally because I work in the city centre. I like Wallasey, but I'm open to other areas too. Here comes another personalised reply right back to me. Sounds like a great choice. Being close to a train station definitely makes commuting easier. Now, could you please share your monthly budget for this move? That's going to help us find the best options within your comfort zone. The property I inquired about is $650 a month, so I'll say that $650 per month is my budget. I'm looking for a 2-bedroom place if possible. And finally, the AI is checking. Of course, it would have asked about number of bedrooms, but I've already provided that information voluntarily, so it doesn't need to ask for that, which is great. There is one more thing that hasn't been covered that is now being asked, and that is employment status, because it has been mentioned. So I will put, of course, I'm full-time employed. And we're done. Fantastic, Max. You've given me all the information I need to help you find the right property. One of our team members will be in touch to discuss scheduling a viewing. We appreciate your patience. Here is a link to our website in the meantime. So, job done. 15 different data points that need gathering for the lettings applicant process for this particular estate agent has all been completely automated. Process that would have taken a team member, a negotiator, perhaps a 10-minute phone call, perhaps more, that would have only been conducted during business hours, and if they had been able to catch the applicant at the right moment, and certainly not within 30 seconds of them completing a Rightmove inquiry, has now been done seamlessly, automatically, and that time saving can then be returned to the negotiator in question to work on high value activities like going to viewings and pressing the flesh and actually meeting clients and other things like that. In addition, every piece of information that's been gathered in this chat is then directly uploaded to Carl Tatler's Reapit dashboard, the popular property and estate agent CRM. There's no manual data entry required. That is completely automatic, and qualified opportunities are then ready for your attention without delay in the Reapit Internet Registrations panel, if Reapit is what you use. Of course, if not, then SalesRook integrates with a range of other softwares as well. And all of this frees your team's time to focus on genuine, engaged applicants. We're seeing that this approach can lead to as much as 85% of Reapit applicants becoming responsive and engaged with because of the absolute absence of time delay between filling in a Rightmove inquiry and being contacted. Typically around 45-50% of these then engaged contacts will go on and become qualified and get piped into Reapit, or an email sent to the branch with a full AI generated summary of the conversation and the full transcript as well. They also can log into the SalesRook software and pick up the WhatsApp conversation where they left off. And all of this streamlines the process and ultimately ensures that your team and your colleagues can concentrate on closing sales, boosting productivity and boosting efficiency as well.